Daylight Time.
Channel 2.
At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located 10 miles east of Clayton or 6 miles west of Oconee State Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
It just went off.
Blizzard, 60 miles per hour. And penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Highlands, Rosman, Cashers, Salem, Lake Tuxaway, Jocassee Gorges, Lake Jocassee, Devil's Fork State Park, Gorges State Park, and Keely Tuxaway State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWFGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Raven, Georgia, and the following counties in North Carolina, Jackson, Macon, and Transylvania, and the following counties in South Carolina, Oconee, and Pickens.
Come on.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Raven County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Macon County in western North Carolina, southwestern Pennsylvania County in western North Carolina, southeastern Jackson County in western North Carolina, northwestern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, northern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7
Georgia.
Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located 10 miles east of Clinton or 6 miles west of Oconee State Park.
Ooh, I wasn't expecting a severe thunderstorm warning.
The kid's taking a bath.
Are you good?
You take a bath.
Just all done. I just did it.
Your face is dirty.
It's not. I was eating. I was eating.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Where's my phone?
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not